We're going to make ceramic sea turtles today. Clay, and it's good to stand up and just flatten it a little bit by pushing into it like this. Then you're going to take a rolling pin and you're going to roll a little bit in one direction, and then you're going to rotate your rolling pin and roll in the other direction. So keep doing that till you have a nice even flat surface. If you mess up while you're doing this, if you get it too thin or uneven, you can add some water to it, sprinkle some water on the top of it, and roll it back together and start over. But you definitely want to add water if you do that. So you want it to be about this thick. That's a good thickness. All right, you can start. Next, you're going to cut out the pieces of the turtle. So I'm going to cut out the shape of a turtle shell. I'm going to have it be kind of a little bit flat where the head is. It's more or less a circle with like a little bit of a point at the end. So it's a little bit flat on the top, and then it's round, and there's a point at the end where the tail would be. So that's going to be the shell. And now thinking about the legs and the head, I'm going to cut out different shapes for those. So I'm going to do for the arms of the sea turtle, I'm going to do kind of a round, kind of like a sliver moon shape, like that. I'm going to cut that out. Now if it's stuck in there, you can cut it like that and then peel the clay up like that. So this is going to be for both upper arms, and I'm going to cut it in half like this. So now I've got the two arms. Now with what's left of my clay, I can do the legs. So for legs, I can do a line across like that, and I like them a little bit pointy. That. So these are going to be the back legs of the turtle. And I'm going to do a head that's pretty much the same shape as that. So again, I can start by making a straight line and then a little bit of a point at the end. So I'm going to use this for the turtle head. It's going to be a little bit pointy. So I have all those pieces cut out. I can attach them to my shell. So I'm going to flip my shell upside down like this, and now I'm going to attach the smooth side. I want the smooth side to be up. So I'm going to attach these pieces. I'm going to attach the head like that, and I'm going to do it by putting it on there and noticing where it leaves a mark. If it's just a little bit wet, I can sometimes see that mark better. So go like that and then take it off. I can see a little mark there. I'm going to score right there, and then I'm going to score right here. So the two places where they touch need to score up really good. So I've done that. I'm going to add some water and push them together like that. Now the same thing for these other parts of the turtle. I'm going to connect them in the same way like that. Okay. So again, if I kind of push this in here like that, I can lift it up and I can usually see where it leaves a mark, and I can score it. And then I can do the same thing right here. Add a little bit of water and push that into there very gently. Same thing here. Back legs, same thing. Push them in there. Lift off. And if you want, you can add a little tiny tail too. In the same way, you would just cut it out and slip and score, score and slip, and attach it. I did add a tail on this one. You can see there, it's got a little tail. If you want to do a tail, you can just cut out kind of like a little narrow triangle. So start with straight and then cut a little triangle out of it like that. And then you can attach to the end like that. So once you have your turtle, all the pieces on there, you can kind of work the shell and make it a little bit rounder shape just by using your fingers and kind of going around and making a little bit more arched, and play around with that. And see, I'm kind of pinching with my fingers like this. And then if you want to add any textures to your turtle or any eyes, you could carve in a couple of eyes right there. You want to add some claws, the back legs. And then I suggest making 3 turtles, like start with a turtle about this size and then see if you can make 2 smaller turtles. So it's kind of like a turtle family. So maybe with this leftover clay here, I could cut out another shell that was smaller, like this size, and make, you know, little tiny turtles. So I'm gonna make this a little bit different shape. So repeat that process for to make smaller turtles so that you have a complete turtle family. Please carefully carve your name underneath your turtle like that. If you need my help, let me know.